Let me tell you a story from the city of Ray. A small group took too much each day. They stole and they hoarded without a care, and the council just watched, unaware. The council didn't see the small group's greed. Instead, they turned a blind eye. Indeed, they waited and waited for the right time, while the small group continued their crime. The theft's impact grew bigger and bigger as the council hesitated. It just got sicker. The people suffered from the small group's ways and the council's inaction in a daze. Finally, things broke and the people cried out. They couldn't take it anymore. They had to shout. The council was replaced by newly elected folks to make things right with new strokes. But some used this as an excuse and new rhetoric to grab power and to take advantage of people, oh so quick. They tried to control the land by different means, and the people were caught up in their schemes. The council members grasped the clue, unveiling the truth to me and you. The battle for truth endured relentless and long, entangling even the meekest throng. Now the people are aware, and they won't be fooled by those who misuse and act so cruel. They'll stand together and fight for what's right, and they won't give up without a fight.